This is the Code in Action video for Chapter 10. In Chapter 10, we learned how to aggregate and visualize statistics using MongoDB and Victory. First of all, install dependencies as always. Then make sure the Docker container for the database server is running. And before we start the backend, we now simulate some events by running node simulate events. Make sure to run this inside of the backend folder. So now this will connect to our database and create test users, posts, and simulate some views on our blog. So now we can run the backend and the frontend. And if we open this in our browser now, we can see that in our browser the frontend is running and we can see the different test posts created by different test users. And if we go to one of the posts, we can see that it simulated some amount of views and it's aggregating and displaying the views nicely here in a daily view chart that we created with Victory. And it's also showing the total views here. And it's even showing the daily average viewing duration in another chart that we created. So as we can see in this chapter, we successfully learned how to aggregate data with MongoDB and then display it with the Victory library.